Hi everyone! Let's attempt to make something delicious today.
Today we'll be making teriyaki salmon. For 2 portions you will need 1 onion, some garlic and some ginger. Season the salmon on both sides with salt and pepper. For the sauce you will need half a tablespoon of sugar, half a tablespoon of sesame oil, 2 tablespoons of soya sauce, 1 teaspoon of sake, 1 teaspoon of mirin and 1 tablespoon of honey. Add water and mix it. Stir fry the onion and garlic and then pan fry the salmon. When the salmon is half cooked, add in the onions. Keep cooking the salmon until they're crispy. When the salmon is done, add in the sauce and let it reduce. And that's how you make teriyaki salmon. Thanks for watching!